Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mac and cheese. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. A blend of sharp cheddar and Gruyere works wonderfully for a rich, flavorful sauce. Make sure your milk is at room temperature for a smoother bechamel. Now, let's create the heart of our mac and cheese, the bechamel sauce. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute until it forms a smooth paste, or roux. Slowly pour in 2 cups of warm milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue cooking and stirring until the sauce thickens to coat the back of a spoon. With your bechamel ready, it's time to bring everything together. Cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's al dente. Drain the pasta well. Remove the bechamel from the heat and gradually stir in 2 cups of shredded cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Finally, add the cooked pasta to the cheese sauce, ensuring every piece is generously coated. You can enjoy it as is or bake it for a crispy topping. For an extra special touch, transfer your mac and cheese to a baking dish. You can sprinkle an additional 1/2 cup of cheese or some breadcrumbs on top for a delicious golden crust. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until it's bubbly and the topping is golden brown. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.